Hi guys, welcome to Java Smart. My name is Javtap Singh, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use bean names along with bean ID or without bean ID, and how to use bean alias. So let's get started. I have the same example which I used in my other tutorials. So I have this class demo, which has one field name, and I have getter and setter for this name field. And in this bean configuration file, I will write this bean. I will mention ID. So okay, just a minute. Class. So class name is demo. So I'll write demo, and ID I will give D. Along with this ID, I will write name field, name argument also. Sorry, name attribute as also. And in this name attribute, I will write give a name to this bean, any other name. So ID I have mentioned as D and name I have mentioned as D1. I can give one more name to this bean by giving space D2, by giving by separating using comma. I can give another name like D3, and by separating using semicolon I can give D4. So these are the ways by which you can give different names to a particular bean. So I have a bean for this demo class. I have given name to this bean as D1, D2, D3. These are the three ways to do to separate the different names. Like you can use space, or you can use comma, or you can use semicolon. And I have this D field as well. So let's test this bean. So I am using application context. I'm creating the bean of this class, demo class, using the ID which I mentioned D. So I'm creating the bean of demo class using D as ID. So after that, I'm setting the value to name field as J, and I'm extracting that value, getting that value from the value which I have set using this get method. I'm taking that value and printing that value. Okay, so let's try to rerun this program and let's see what happens. I have saved. I think I have. No, I have not saved, so it will not work. Okay. Okay, now I have saved. Now again I will try to run this program. I missed something, huh? Class demo, that's okay. Then inters class, I'm passing T. Okay, no issue. Okay, so I forgot to mention the package. So let's mention the package. So now I have mentioned the package. Now again we'll try to run this. So if I'm running, it's printing J. Okay, I have used D. Now I will try to use the name, bean name. Here I created this bean using ID. Now I will try to create a bean using name. So I'll provide the first name, that is D1. So now I'll try to run. Let's see what happens. Still it is printing my name. So that means that is also working. I can use other names as well, which I mentioned, like d1, d2, d3, d4. I'll use d4 now. D4, sorry, d4, and now I'll try to rerun. See, still it is working. That means you can use any of these name for creating the bean. So either you can use name field or you can use id field, name attribute or id attribute to create the bean of a particular class, to identify a bean. So these are the different ways to separate the different bean names. Okay, you can use one more thing. There's one more element, that is alias. Okay, so by alias what we mean, like I can give any other name to, like if I want to create if I want to give another name to the bean of same class, and the name which are given here, I will use these names and I'll give some other name. So I'll write d1 and I will write another name for this. So I'll write d6 or say d5. I'm saying d5. So now by d5 I can refer to d1. So see, I'll test it. I'll write it. I'll try to create a bean using alias name, that is d5. Let's see what happens. Yep. So this way also it has created the bean. So yeah, so this way we can work, like we can use the name field, we can use id field, or we can give different alias to a particular name which I have given here. So these are the different ways for naming a particular bean for a particular class. So that's it for this tutorial, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel.